Coming to the math class, today we are going to observe, do this page number 49 in polynomials. See the first sum, p of x equal to x square minus 5x minus 6. It is one of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial in variable x. Find the values of p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, p of 0, p of minus 1, p of minus 2 and p of minus 3. That means just replace this x with 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 to find the values of them. First take the given. What is the given? P of x equal to x square minus 5x minus 6. It is the given polynomial. First we have to find the p of 1. P of 1 equal to, in place of x there is a 1. Just to replace this x with 1. 1 square minus 5 into 1 minus 6 equal to 1 square equal to 1 minus 5 into 1 minus 5, it is a minus 6. Out of 3, these two are negatives, only one is the positive. Sum of these two is a minus 11. Finally, 1 minus 11 is a minus 10. So the value of p of 1 equal to minus 10. Go to second one, p of 2. Say 2 square 5 into 2 minus 6. 2 square equal to 4 minus 5 into 2 minus 10 minus 6. Here also same. It is a positive term 4. Sum of these are minus 16 equal to minus 12. P of 2 equal to minus 12. Next, third, P of 3. Just replace x with 3. 3 square, 5 into 3, minus 6. 3 square is a 9, 3 into 3, minus 5 into 3, minus 15, minus 6. Here also it is a positive term. Sum of these two, because those are negatives, minus 21 equal to minus 2. P of 3 value is also minus 1. Now P of 0. 0 square minus 5 into 0 minus 6. 0 square is mathematics square. 5x value 5 into 0 is a constant minus 6. The value of 0 square is 0. Minus 5 into 0, 0. Those two are zeros and only we have minus 6. We can write like this also. Minus 6. These two values become zeros. Only remaining minus 6. Next go to P of minus 1 equal to. Now just write in place of x minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, give the bracket. 5 into minus 1 because negative number. Yes, these are negative numbers, so you must write the negative number in brackets. This is better. Next, minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus minus plus 5 minus 6. You observe this one. These two are positive terms, only this is the negative. Sum of these two equal to 6. It is a minus 6. 6 minus 6 is nothing but 0. Next, P of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole square, 5 into minus 2 minus 6 equal to minus 2 whole square is a 4, minus minus plus 5 to 10 minus 6. These two are positive, sum of them 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Now last one is a P of minus 3 equal to minus 3 whole square, 5 into minus 3 minus 6. Minus 3 whole square is a 9. 5 minus 3 into minus 3, 2 times. Minus minus plus 5 3 is 15 minus 6. These two are positives, it is negative. Sum of these two is 24, minus 6 is 18. You observe the values of the given. P of 1 value is minus 10, P of 2 minus 12, P of 3 minus 12, P of 0 minus 6, P of minus 1 0, P of minus 2 8, P of minus 3 is 18. Out of all, only for P of minus 1 is 0. That means minus 1 is the 0 of this one. Now observe the second sum in the same do this. P of m equal to m square minus 3m plus 1. Find the values of P of 1 and P of minus 1. That means just replace this m. Here is a variable m. It is one of the polynomial in variable m. Just replace m with 1 and minus 1. To find P of 1, replace with 1. To find the P of minus 1, replace by minus 1. Now, let's take the given P of m equal to m square minus 3m plus 1, the given. Next, we have to find P of 1 equal to 1 square 3 into 1 plus 1. 1 square equal to 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1. These two are positives, plus 1 equal to plus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Finally, we got the P of 1 equal to minus 1. Next, P of minus 1 equal to, just replace m with minus 1. Minus 1 whole square 3 into minus 1 plus 1. And now, see, minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1, minus minus plus 3 plus 1. When we observe these three terms, all are positives. It is a positive, so it become positive, Not only three terms are positive, sum of them equal to 5. You understand this one? Given polynomial in variable m, m square minus 3m plus 1. Just we had to find P of 1 and P of minus 1. P of 1 value is minus 1. P of minus 1 value is only 5. Thank you.